In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the internal error in Notion quickly and easily. This is a common issue that many Notion users face, whether you're using it for notes, project management, or team collaboration. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix this error in just a few minutes without losing any of your data. I'll walk you through simple step-by-step solutions, starting from the fastest fixes to slightly more advanced ones. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. The very first thing you should try when you see an internal error in Notion is simply refreshing the page. A lot of the time, this error happens because the page didn't load properly or there was a temporary connection issue. If you're on a browser, just click the refresh icon or press Ctrl and R on Windows or Command and R on Mac. If you're using the Notion desktop app, close the page and reopen it. After refreshing, give it a few seconds to fully load and see if the error disappears. If the problem is still there, don't worry. Let's move on to the next step. The second thing you should do is check Notion's server status. Sometimes the internal error has nothing to do with your device or your account and is actually caused by a temporary outage on Notion's side. Open a new tab and go to status.notion.so. Here you can see whether Notion is experiencing any issues with their servers, databases, or API. If you see an ongoing incident or partial outage, the best thing to do is wait until Notion resolves it. These issues are usually fixed pretty quickly. If everything looks operational, then we know the problem is on our end, so let's continue. Next, try logging out of your Notion account and logging back in. This helps reset your session and can fix authentication or sync issues that trigger internal errors. To do this, click on your profile picture in the top corner, select Log Out, and fully sign out of your account. Once you're logged out, close the browser or app completely, reopen it, and log back in with your email or logging method. After logging back in, open the page again and check if the error is gone. If you're still seeing the internal error, let's try another simple but effective fix. At this point, it's a good idea to log out and log back in again, especially if you use multiple Notion accounts or workspaces. Make sure you're signing into the correct account and workspace that owns the page you're trying to access. Switching between accounts can sometimes cause permission or sync conflicts, which may lead to internal errors. Once you confirm you're logged into the correct workspace, reload the page and see if that resolves the issue. If the error still shows up, keep following along. The next step is to close extra browser tabs. Having too many tabs open, especially if multiple tabs are running Notion at the same time, can cause memory or sync problems. Close any unnecessary tabs, particularly other Notion tabs, and then refresh the page you're working on. This helps reduce conflicts and frees up system resources. After closing the extra tabs, wait a few seconds and see if Notion loads properly. If you're still facing the internal error, we'll move on to the final step. The last fix we're going to try is clearing the site cache for Notion. Cache data can sometimes become corrupted and cause internal errors. In your browser settings, go to Privacy or History and clear cached images and files. You don't need to clear saved passwords if you don't want to. After clearing the cache, completely close your browser, reopen it, and go back to Notion. Log in again and check the page. In most cases, this step fixes persistent internal errors. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the internal error in Notion and get back to your work without any issues. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.